Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete your YouTube search history. So to get started, go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Now go ahead and tap on you, which is up here on the bottom right corner. Now once you tap on it, here on the top right corner, you can see gear icon, which is represented as setting. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on manage all history. Now near the search bar, you can see the delete option. So here you get the option delete today, delete customized range, and delete all time. So you can just select any of those, whether you want to delete the search history of today or delete all the time or delete the custom range. Now once you select any of those options, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.